In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear search history on TikTok. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up TikTok application and then hit at that magnifier glass icon to open up search. Now, there you can find your recent searches that you typed in the search box before, and if you want to delete some specific keyword from here, all you have to do is just tap there on that X icon just next to that keyword to delete it. Just like that. And you also can clear them all at once just by tapping here at clear all. I'll just tap there, then tap on clear, and now as you can see I have just cleared all recent search history. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.